Hello wifeys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode we'll be baking a cake. In today's video we'll be baking a cake on the stove. So in this bowl I beat 3 eggs and I'm pouring it into the blender. And I'm going to be adding 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and again 1 cup of milk. Into the blender I'll be adding 1/3 cup of vanilla flavor. And also 1 cup of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to cover the blender and blend these ingredients into a smooth paste. This is what you have after blending, and I'm going to turn it out into my mixing bowl, and I'm going to whisk this for a while before mixing the dry ingredients into the bowl. Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's your wifey on another video. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell and please leave a comment below. Please keep on watching. Onto the dry ingredients, I have my flour. This is all-purpose flour, and I'm going to be shaving it into the bowl. Into the mixing bowl, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. The next thing I'll be adding is 4 tablespoons of powdered milk. Now I'm going to incorporate the ingredients and break down any solid particle in the flour. I'm going to mix it thoroughly so that the paste becomes very smooth. The next thing I do is to grease my pan, and I have this heart-shaped pan I'll be using to bake. So I'm going to be greasing my pan with vegetable oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, but I'm using my vegetable oil to grease my pan. You can even use butter or even egg whites, anything that suits you, just do it. The essence of greasing your pan is to prevent stickiness between the cake and the pan, and also to prevent much burning. So now I'll be transferring my cake batter into the pan. Tap the pan a bit to ensure that the batter is even, and now your cake is ready to be transferred into the preheated pot on the stove. So guys, I've preheated my pot for 15 minutes on very low heat. Now place the cake batter into the preheated pot and cover up the pot. Leave to bake for 35 to 40 minutes. And here you have your baked cake at 45 minutes exactly. So here is my cake, is ready. And how I know that is ready is that I used a stick to check if there is still some liquidy substance in it, and the cake was all solidified and ready to be served. Here we have our stove baked cake, and this cake turned out very nice, so yummy, so soft like sponge. This is one of the best cakes I've ever made for myself. Yeah, so this is the result of the cake. While baking on stove, it takes as long as 35 to 40, sometimes 45 minutes. But finally, we have our cake all ready to be served, and you can store this for up to a week, even two. It will not go bad. Hence, you stored it in the fridge, well covered. So you have to exercise some patience and let your cake cool down, and here is ready to be served to everyone. Yeah, so we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell, and please be sure to share this video and also comment below. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Keep loving your house, keep cooking for your families. My lovely wife is. Peace.